Repeat these affirmations inwardly or aloud, allowing them to settle deeply through mind, body, and awareness. I acknowledge fear without resistance. I observe fear with calm awareness. Fear loses power when it is seen. Presence steadies me. Awareness restores control. Being calm replaces urgency. Fear does not define me. I am more than this sensation. My center remains strong and steady. I remain intact and capable. Fear passes through me. I remain grounded. My body is safe in this moment. Breath calms my nervous system. Signals of safety spread through my body. Calm restores balance. Safety quiets fear. Being calm brings clarity. Courage lives within me. I can remain present with fear. I take one step at a time. I move forward steadily. Courage is quiet and real. Confidence grows with action. I respond with clarity rather than reaction. I choose my actions calmly. Fear no longer controls my decisions. I act from clarity. Choice restores power. Response replaces avoidance. Confidence grows through experience. Each step weakens fear's hold. I trust in my abilities. I handle challenges effectively. Experience builds confidence. Fear loses influence. I can experience fear without being controlled by it. Courage is always available to me. I move forward with clarity and choice. I am calm. I am courageous. I move beyond fear.